Hello everyone, welcome to Stealth video series.
Best jobs for Indians in the US. Picking a career is no easy task. It requires knowing yourself, your skills, your strengths, and your goals for the future. No one intends on dedicating time and money to the proper education for a career path only to find the hours are long and stressful and the rewards minimum. Following a year of unforeseen layoffs and economic upheaval due to the global coronavirus pandemic, job seekers may have specific priorities for what they want in a career. Orthodontist. Orthodontists enable people to smile wider and more confidently. They fix misaligned teeth and improper bites with braces and retainers for both function and aesthetics. Veterinarians. Veterinarians are doctors who care for the health of man's best friend and all of creature kind. They perform surgeries, treat wounds, vaccinate, test for diseases in animals. Vets work in animal clinics and hospitals, but may also work on farms, labs, and zoos. Dentist. Dentists are responsible for keeping your smile healthy. They perform routine cleanings, fillings, root canals, X-rays, and other procedures related to oral health. They also diagnose teeth, gum, and jaw issues, prescribe medications, and teach patients how to take care of their own teeth. Data scientists. Data scientists are inquisitive and have a knack for numbers, but also combine software programming and computer learning to do their jobs. The role involves using programming languages such as Python and R to extract and log data. They then analyze and identify trends and patterns within that data to improve the performance and productivity within a company. Speech-language pathologists. Speech-language pathologists help children and adults who have difficulty speaking or swallowing. These disorders may be caused by a variety of reasons, including stroke, developmental delay, autism, or Parkinson's disease. Speech-language pathologists or speech therapists evaluate a patient's ability to speak or swallow and implement treatment plans. Physician. Doctors care for patients through colds, pregnancy, heart attacks, and other illnesses and conditions. Physicians examine patients, order tests, treat a variety of illnesses, prescribe medications, and more, all to the betterment of a patient's health and well-being. Medical and Health Services Manager. Medical and Health Services Manager run medical practices and healthcare service providers such as nursing homes, hospitals, and clinics. They make sure everything is running smoothly and that the organization is providing the best quality care and following all regulations and law. Software developer. Apps are something we use in our everyday life. From checking bank account balances, connecting with friends on social media, or ordering takeout, just about everyone takes advantage of the work done by software developers. Software developers design user-friendly computer softwares and smartphone applications. These professionals are creative and detail-oriented, testing and perfecting apps until they are as seamless as possible for the best user experience. Software developers enter the field with a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field and must be familiar with computer programming. The demand for new apps and software will drive the need for software developers in the years to come.
We hope this video has been helpful to you. At Stilt, we provide financial services for immigrants and the underserved. Subscribe to our channel and visit stilt.com for more details.